Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, let's see how we can enrich company data for free. So after the release of Breeze, so HubSpot has disabled the automated company enrichment. So earlier when we create a company and if we just put the domain name of any company, so it would automatically get all the details such as the website and the description, company address, industry, etc. So as you can see now, they have disabled this feature, so we don't get any of the details automatically. So let's see how we can get this for free. So we will use the Apollo API to get these informations. So if you go to Apollo, and I'll provide the links in the description. So Apollo provides 100 free credits per month. So if your consumption is less than 100 companies creation per month, then you can use it for free. So they do have additional plans if you have more consumptions, so you can check out their plans. So what details we get from the organization enrichment is so we get the name, social medias, website, the year founded, industry, keywords, so almost all the details of a company. So let's see how we can achieve this using HubSpot. Okay, I will delete this. Yes, so to get the company details to HubSpot, we have to create a workflow. So go to workflows and create a new workflow. So I'll create from scratch. I'll create a company based workflow. So I'll name the workflow accordingly. And save. So add an enrollment trigger. Here I'll choose when a filter criteria is met, and I want the companies to enroll when it is created. So I'll choose create date is known. And done. I don't want re-enrollment as this is only one time. Okay, so we have the enrollment trigger. Now let's add the actions. So in the actions, go to custom code. Here we don't want any HubSpot API token, so you can keep it as it is. Then we want a domain to be pulled into the code, so choose company domain and full screen. Here comes the coding part. So this is a code. Here you will have to add your API key. So to get the API key, you should create a free Apollo account, and in the Apollo account you can go to enrich data here and then choose API. Here click on API keys and create a new API key. So I'll name this HS company enrich, and you can add the description if you want, and choose for organization enrich and create a API. So copy your API key and go back to your code and replace your API key here. And once your code is ready, copy the entire code and come back to HubSpot, then paste your code in the code sections here. Okay, so after doing this, you will have to get this. So you have two options here. One, you can choose to add the details within the code using the API, or using the callback options, export your data and update externally within the workflows. So let's choose the second way now. So maybe I'll pull up company name. So this is a string. Pull up company website URL. This is string, and I'll put company description. This is string, and LinkedIn URL. So do this for all. Okay, so once I have all the data, so I'll just go ahead and save this. Okay, you can ignore this. So our code is already saved. As you can see, it's already saved. Now choose a branch, and based on the action output, choose action output. So I want to add the data only if the status is yes. I want to add the data only if the status is yes, and save. And if status is yes, then go ahead and update the CRM record. So edit the record, choose a property that is company name, name, and under value action output, and search for name. Okay, so do this for all the action outputs you have chosen. So easy way to do this is clone this and change the fields. So what was the second? It's a company URL, that is website. Yes, so we are done with the code. So after adding all the fields, our code looks something like this. The trigger, the custom code, and if the status is yes, then update all of this property one by one. Okay, so let's test our code now. To test our code, let's go back to companies and let's create a company. So I'll choose create company. Then here I'll test with google.com and create. Okay, let's wait for some time for the code to work. So now it will automatically check the details from Apollo and update in the HubSpot. So I think max to max it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So it's almost around 30 seconds now. Let's reload and check. Yes, so you can see the details are been updated. So some of you can see a few options are empty here. So I have not chose this in the workflows. So that's why you can choose to update this within the workflow. So I have not chosen it, so it's blank. Otherwise, all other details are updated. So you can check the details and see it's the workflow which has updated the details. Great. So if you have any questions, queries, do let me know. Post it in the comments or reach out to me. I hope this video is useful. Thank you.